Fishing competition announcement. This poster announces a fishing competition event called Kajing Yakup Kwai Doka Fishing Competition. Event details. Date 20 June 2026. Time 9:30 a.m., 3:30 p.m. Venue location. Located at Pung Ba Ke Lingkoi, Manai Rangskan, East Khasi Hills District. Ticket price. Entry ticket are 2,000 per person. The poster mentions that the ticket is for participating in the fishing event. Prize money, fishing competition winners. Main prizes. First prize, 12 lakh rupees. Second prize, 5 lakh rupees. Third prize, Rs and 2 lakh rupees. Additional prize winners. From 4th place to 25th place, each winner will receive Rs 1 lakh rupees each. Consolation prizes. Consolation A. There are 10 winners and each will receive Rs 20,000 each. Prize numbers 1 to 10. Consolation B. There are 10 winners and each will receive Rs 10,000 each. Prize numbers 1 to 10. Lucky draw, special draw at 3:00 p.m. The poster also includes a lucky draw with special vehicle prizes. First lucky draw prize. Brand new Mahindra Thar Rox, a 5-door top model. Approximate value mentioned, R20,000. Second prize. Brand new Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Approximate value, R5,000. Third prize. Brand new Maruti Alto K10. Approximate value, R3,000. Fourth prize. Brand new scooter. Approximate value, RA100,000. Fifth prize. Brand new scooty. Approximate value, RA100,000. Lucky draw ticket prices. Where's 250? Shoe ticket, single ticket. 500. R ticket, another ticket category package. Registration. Sticker information. The poster says participants must collect a temporary sticker pass on 19 June 2026 before 11:30 a.m. at the temporary sticker counter area. Contact numbers. For more details, the poster lists contact numbers: 8787326617, 9402954663, 7085452853, 84167914, 87308563222. English and Hindi contact 93623159889, 9986381487. Summary. This is a large fishing competition in East Khasi Hills District with Rs 2,000 entry fee. Top prize of Rs 12 lakh.